Hello everyone. Now I'm going to tell you how to access the report section in the organization panel of MyConceptBooster. So let's get into it. You can see the option reports here. Just click on it to see the options that are available in the reports. So when you get into it, you can see the search history based on different categories. Like you can search the results based upon the class, select the exam model as well as the examination that have conducted already and click search. It will give you the result of that particular test based on the search history. So these are the main types in the result. So let's see one by one. Let's check out the subject-wise results first. When you click on it, you can see the exam IDs that are available for the test, and the class for which the test is conducted, the title for that exam, menu, it means the examination model. So it will be like part test or chapter test, maybe something. The examination model, JE mains for this. So, and the time for this test, the start and end time, and the action as well as the organization. So if you want to see the subject-wise report, you can see the option action here. When you see the option subject report, click on it. It will give the total score report for that subject. So this is the score. This line indicates the score of that particular class students. So when you see the dots over there, when you place the cursor, it will show us the score for that student. So here, this dot indicates the Krishna Chaitanya score is 233. So when you go to here, so the topper score, Farhana, the score is 275. When you see it here, Shravanti, score is 195. It's 147 for Sai Charan, and goes on. Like Vijay, it's 101, and the least score, it's 0. It will show us on the 0 line. You can see the scores that are available here, so 0, 50, 100, 150, and something. So this is the total score report for the entire class. And now when it goes to the subject-wise report for this class, so it says there are 3 types of colors for 3 subjects, physics, chemistry, and maths. So for this particular students, so when you place it here, that's mathematics. So the Farhana student got 100 out of 100 for this. And the student Farhana got chemistry, 91 marks, and physics, 84 marks. Likewise, you can see for any other student. So Manoj Kumar, so that's physics, 72, and chemistry, 63, as well as for maths, it's 61 for him. And let's check out some other. So it's 54 in maths, and physics, it's 43. Whereas for chemistry, that's 31. Let's see, it's here. These are zeros for them. There's a subject-wise report as well as the pie chart of the subject-wise total score report. So when you place this cursor on any of the pie, it will give us the result for that particular student. So Charita Chalai, she got 223 marks, whereas here, that's Sai Surya who got 45 marks. In the same way, for Sai Charan, that's 147. So this is how it looks. And now it will give us for the entire students of the class, as well as student IDs and branch. So it's physics marks, percentage, and rank. It gives us all these subjects that are available in that test. So it's physics, chemistry, and maths with the total marks at the end. So the first student who got physics 84 marks, and his percentage is 70, and her rank is first rank in physics. As well as for chemistry, 91 marks, 76.67 percentage, and her rank is 1. This is why she's placed at the first. So 100 marks, the percentage is 83.3, the first rank. So the total marks for this student is 275 for all the 3 subjects. So likewise for some other people, so Manoj Kumar, 72 marks in physics, 60%, and his rank is 5. And for chemistry, he got 63%, 53.33%. So sorry, 63 marks, and his rank is 5. Whereas for maths, he got 61 marks, 53.33%, and his rank is 7 in maths. So he got total 196 marks. So this is how the subject-wise result looks. So if you want to see the section-wise result, click on it. You can see the section report in the action option here. Check it out. When you click it, it will give us the section-wise report. So in the section-wise report, so mainly it will give us the overall report first. We have seen it earlier. So after that, it will give us the section-wise report, which means there are different types: physics single answer, physics numerical, chemistry single answer, chemistry numerical, and maths single answer, and mathematics numerical. So in each and every subject, there are again 2 different sections. So it will give us those types. So for this student, it's mathematics numerical 20, and for mathematics for the physics numerical, it's 16. And okay, there are 2 subjects here, that's chemistry numerical also. So these 3 are the numericals, these 3 are the single answers. So for this student, you can see the difference. That's chemistry numerical, 0 marks, and physics numerical, she got 4 marks, and for physics numerical, it's 16. So we can see the difference for these in each end of the subject. So let's see another. So let's compare here. So that's chemistry numerical, 8 marks. So it's maths numerical, 12 marks, and physics numerical, that's 16 marks. Whereas for single answers, you can see it, that's maths single answer, 80 marks, chemistry single answer, 75 marks, and physics single answer, 68 marks. Let's see another. So that's mathematics single answer, 41 marks for Manoj, and chemistry single answer, 51 marks, and that's physics single answer, 60 marks. So this is how the section-wise report for the students looks, and the same pie chart for the section-wise report. So you can see when you place the cursor, it will give us the student name along with their marks. So that's Tanitika got 128 marks, whereas Pandana got 86 marks, and Krishna Chaitanya got 233 marks. So likewise, Tarun got 152 marks. This is how the marks and the pie chart looks. Whereas for the same like earlier, it gives us the student and their student ID, branch, and section. Here, it will give us the physics single answer marks, single answer percentage, and single answer rank, as well as the physics numerical marks, numerical percentage, and numerical rank. For all the subject, it gives us the same. So that's maths single answer percentage, single answer rank, maths, numerical percentage, and numerical rank. So the total marks only at the end. So this is how the section-wise report looks. So let's see an example for Farhana. So single answer marks 68, and single answer percentage is 85, and her rank is 1 in single answer. Whereas in the numerical marks in physics, 16 marks, 40%, and 1 first rank. For chemistry single answer, 75 marks, 95%, and first rank in chemistry single answer. As well as the numerical, 16 marks, 40%, and third rank in chemistry numerical. So you can see the difference over here. She got only 40% in chemistry numerical, whereas the other person got 50% in chemistry numerical. So the other person got the first rank, and the 40 marks for Farhana got the third rank. So this is the difference in percentage ranks for the subjects, for each subject. So that's mathematics single answer, 80 marks, percentage is 100, and rank is first rank. Whereas for mathematics numerical, 20 marks, 50% and first rank. So the total marks are 275. So the same for all the other students. It gives us each section. So this is how the section-wise report looks, and we can see the response-wise results. The next option. So when you click on it, it will give us the option response report here. Click on it. You can see the response means it's denoted by the 3 letters CWU. So that's attempted and correct. W means attempted and wrong, and U means not attempted. So let's see the example for this particular student, Imadi Shravanti. So the contact as well as branch and section here. So for this student, the first question, it says the response is U. U means not attempted. So she did not attempt the first question, as well as the all questions here. You can see she didn't attempt it. So when you see the other person, the second one, Akshaya, you can see the first question is C. It means correct, attempted and correct. The second question is W. That's attempted and wrong. And the third question is C. That's correct. So likewise. Whereas for the third student, Vijay, the first question is U. That's unattempted. The second question is C. Third question is C. That means attempted and correct. So in this way, it gives us the response for each and every question. So if you move on to the end, it will give us till the last question. So this is how this response-wise results looks. So when you want to see the next question, next option for the reports, you can see the student CWU analysis. So when you click on it, it gives us the view student CWU analysis report. Click on it, the same, the CWU stands for correct, wrong, and unattempted. So this is the overall school score for the students in that class. So the CWU analysis, subject-wise. So for this student, so that's maths 5 marks, 7 correct, as well as 9 correct in physics. And the other students, let's check it out. So for physics, she got 9 marks, and for chemistry, 11 marks, as well as for maths, the 12 marks. So this is how the marks and the score report is the same for everyone. So we have seen it earlier. In turn, 152 marks. And we can see the CWU analysis here for the student Farhana, student ID, branch and section. So there are 21 correct questions in physics, and only 1 question is wrong for her in physics. And there are 8 unattempted questions in physics. The same way, there are 23 correct answers in chemistry, 2 wrong answers in chemistry, and 5 unattempted in chemistry. As well as for maths, that's 25 correct, 0 wrong, and 5 unattempted. The total correct at 69, and total rank is 3rd rank. So this is how the CWU analysis looks for the students. And when you want to see the another one, click the marks distribution. You can see the marks distribution report option here. Click on it. So if there are 2 different types, like branch-wise marks distribution, and the same is shown in the graph as well as the bar graph. So it says this color is branch 1. So if there is any other branch, it will give us the comparison, like the branch 1 got 282, 261, and branch 2 got something around like some like 300 to 281 something. And the other denotation with the other color. So branch 1 got 2 marks. So people who got 240 to 221 are 2 people, and so 220 to 201 marks got only 1 people. So this paragraph will be mainly understandable after seeing this chart over here. Like the range, you can see the range 360 to 341 marks, There are 0 people in this branch. If there is any other branch, it will give us another table over here, another column. So like this, you can see 280 to 61, only 1 people got that range of marks, and the marks 240 to 221, 2 people got that range. So you can see the other page, page 2. So 160 to 141 got only 2 people, and 100 to 81 got 2 people, whereas for marks 20 to 0 got 4 people. So this is how the marks distribution is done in the report section. So the next type in the reports is the error analysis. So if you want to see it, just click on the error analysis option. It will give us the view error count report. Click on it. So it will give us a table which contains the physics question number, physics WU count. WU is means W is wrong and U is unattempted. Physics percentage, and chemistry WU count, chemistry percentage. Maths question numbers, maths WU count, and maths percentage. So, so for this physics question, so there are 12 people who made it wrong or who did not attempt that question. So this is the percentage of students who did not attempt. So in this section, we know that there are 20 people, sorry, the 20 students. So 12 people made it wrong. So that's 60% of all the class. So whereas for chemistry, for this question, 17 people made it wrong. And that's 85% made this question wrong for chemistry. The same for maths. For this question number, 17 people made it wrong or unattempted. And the percentage of people is 85 in the overall class. The same way, these are all the questions in physics. These are all the questions in chemistry, and these are all the questions in mathematics. So it's showing the 1 to 10 entries of 30 entries. So if you want to see the other, this option. So there are 30 here, the question number, and that's percentage wrong, question number wrong, and maths question numbers and wrongs. So this is how the error analysis is made. And moving to the next, that's top marks option. When you click on it, give us the top marks report option. See it, it will give us the branch name, the branch wise top marks report. If there is any other branch, it will give us the comparison between both. And for physics, that's 0, that's 84, it's the starting point. So it gives us 8 from 84. Whereas for chemistry, that's 91, and that's mathematics, that's 100. You can see the options 84, 86, 88, 90 something. So for branch 1, so that's 84 marks. This is the graph, this is the bar. That's the difference. For chemistry, it's 91 marks. When you place the cursor at this point, you can see the number of marks for that subject. And this is the table view of this top marks. So there are 20 exam strength, and in this branch, the highest mark for physics is 84, and the rank of physics is 1. Chemistry marks 91, and the chemistry's rank is 1. Mathematics marks 100, and mathematics rank is 1. So this is how the top marks report section is viewed. And moving to the next, the last one, student performance trends. Click on it, you can see the 4 different types, R, O, G, E. R indicates below 40%, ready need to improve performance zone. And this is the color orange, 41% to 60% in above average performance zone. And G, that's between 61% to 80%, green indicates in good performance zone. Whereas for E, that's 81% to 100%, gold color in excellent performance zone. So if there are students and the data, it will divide in this student performance report in this particular color and the letter this table is filled. So this is how the report section is viewed in the organization panel of MyConceptBooster. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you.